up world, I'm Mr. Jane Jacobs and welcome to another episode of Rich and Ratchet Kitchen, gourmet quality food at ghetto-ass prices. I'm going to show you how to make Pahn Kapoon. It's a Thai lettuce wrap dish that is my favorite food, it's my comfort food. It's all fresh vegetables, just chopped up. And you have to cook one thing, okay honey? So you have to cook one thing and that's it. So if you don't know how to chop vegetables, honey, unfriend me on Facebook. Unfriend me, honey. Unfollow me, okay? Alright, so the first step in making Pahn Kapoon, or Thai lettuce wraps, is to boil the noodles. So you get the water boiling to a roaring boil, and then you just pour the noodles in. And so this is the first step because now you want to chop up the vegetables. Alright, so the next step is to pour in and drizzle some olive oil, and then we're going to saute some garlic, onions, and shallots into this. Soy sauce, and the oyster sauce. Now we're going to scoop out the meat, now that it's all complete. And we're going to leave the juice in here. Alright, so now we're going to make the peanut sauce from the meat, or the juice left over from the meat. So it's all cooked, and this is the secret ingredient of how to make peanut sauce, alright? So you add just a little bit more water, so like a quarter cup of water. And then you add sweet chili sauce to it. So you pour that in. And you just kind of work it in. Just do that. I'll just use a spatula here. Alright, so this is the last step. We're going to construct the lettuce wrap with all the ingredients. So you get your lettuce, alright, and then you get your noodles. And then you just top it with whatever you like. So there's cilantro, basil, jalapeno, green onions, cucumber, tomato. You don't have to put it all in once or whatever, but just to your own choosing. And then I'm going to grab some of the meat. So I'm going to just use this spoon. Just grab one piece there. And then I'm going to drizzle it with some peanut sauce, because you know how I love to drizzle stuff, okay honey? So this is it. Look how delicious that is. It's healthy for you. We only cooked one thing, right? So this is the main part. So it's super good, as always, right? But my mouth is full, I don't care, honey. This is the meal prep version of it, because it's so delicious. You could take it to work, and it costs only like, $3 to make in total, because everything is just freshly made. The roast and chuck roast is only like $3 for this whole thing, and it feeds about 4 people. So there you have it.